something fucking nice. Quick fifth wheel fucking slide. You see that brand new gray line there? And those fucking connectors? Yeah. Well, I went to go slide the fifth wheel up here in Maine because I'm loaded to holy hell with water. And yeah, that freaking line broke. Luckily, that's the same freaking size as you know, the blow-off fittings for your air seat to blow out your truck. Yeah, it's a 1/4 inch. So luckily they had one here at the small truck stop, and I replaced it while I'm stuck here, basically in the front of the damn cat scale. So always remember, what can't go wrong will go wrong. Shit's what, like 0 degrees here. Old plastic gets brittle and just shatters. So that's why you keep a fucking set of tools on you and a flashlight and everything, so you don't get screwed with a $200 or $300 road service call.